This guide is devoted to help you remove the EasyWebPagePrint extension from your Google Chrome browser. The developers claim that by installing this extension, you will be able to easily save web pages as a printer-friendly PDFs. So, at first glance, it might look like this feature is helpful and beneficial for some people, but the trouble is that when people mistakenly install this particular extension, they may end up experiencing a lot of other problems. I'm gonna install it on purpose to demonstrate to you what exactly happens after the extension is installed and activated. So when you open new tabs, you notice this Easy Web Page Print new tab instead of the blank tab. And when submitting some search queries, you notice that the results are given by myway.com. Now, how to get rid of this Easy Web Page Print extension if you are not satisfied with such changes of your browser? You need to access the browser menu. It looks like this circle with three vertical dots. Click on More Tools and choose Extensions, and you will find this Easy Web Page Print extension activated. You need to deactivate it, and then you may remove it right away. So this is the simplest way to fix your browser. I also recommend that you double check your Mac and its safety with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download this software, install the application, and start scanning your Mac computer with it. At the end of scan, you will see the report, but you will need to click on Start Combo Scan button to begin the analysis of your Mac. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is the trial version or the premium version, the program will perform free scanning anyway, even with its trial mode. And the good thing about the trial mode of Combo Cleaner is that it lets you find the location of each specific thread. So when you are in the antivirus section, click on Review Results to see the detailed results and the location of each thread. So let's say that we have this very first thread identified. What we could do is to move the mouse next to it, and there will be a special button Show in Finder. So now we will find this malicious program in Finder, and we may right-click on it and move it to the trash. In the same manner you may do with other infected items. Click on Show in Finder, then you will be able to see that specific thread in Finder and to remove it manually. Or of course you may perform the removal automatically with the premium version of the program.